everybody, this is Loopy Prices coming to you about AMC, another video. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Well, today we have to say it was a crazy day, another day. AMC is not for the light-hearted. Let's have it that way. I stay to the end and I will explain to you why I am still very bullish and I still think AMC is going to go up. But we've seen another red day, and I think we have to go through the charts here. We were, this is crazy, but we have to say there was a lot of shorting going on. There was shorting going on, hardcore, and there were buying and selling shorts, and we could see that in the charts right here, that they were buying shorts. They're loading up on the shorts more. This is a great thing. That is a great sign for me. That's the whole purpose why we are in this whole thing, is to get the shorts to pay. But if they're loading up on the shorts even more, why not? Go for it. Hey, what the heck? I don't care. So we can see the chart, and all I have to say today, we had gotten started on a great solid day. I thought it was going to go in the red quicker. Honestly, I was thinking it was going to go in the red a lot faster. And they start beating it down right in here. And we got buy signals. And we are still in a buy signal. So if you think we are not on a buy signal, but we have went down to our 30. I was hoping we would stay in that level, but that's fine. That's all right. We need to realize we are into this squeeze play. And you can see they are still shorting it after hours. And they have been shorting it still. I was hoping that we would get the SSR triggered, honestly, because I was hoping we would have, that would be a better play for Friday. And the reason why I want the SSR on that for Friday, because if Friday is green, majority of about 95%, it's green on Monday. Well, that said, let's not look at it too much onto the 5-minute in today's chart. Let's look at the daily chart. I like the daily chart, and we can see we are starting to get out of the bull trend. We are getting out of the bull trend, but that to me is something more than I think that we are getting in a basically a bear trap. I think they're testing, and they're testing the levels. We can see that, let's take a look at it, the 4-hour chart, and we can see that we have, oh gosh, again, why do I have this stuff? And they are testing the levels. They are testing the level. So tomorrow, I expect we could go a little bit down in the morning, but I'm hoping we will rise. We will go up, and we will see a green day. That is a good thing for me to see. I think that we will have a green day. Why I am still liking what happened today is we came down just to come down a little bit, just to have a breather. When you have all this pressure and we get going down, we get a little breather, that's great. that's the time you want to load up on shares. If you're going to buy it, well, then this is the time. I was loading up on shares right around in here. I was buying it right into, oh, yeah, I get the chart here. I was loading up right in here. This, to me, we are starting to consolidate right in here. Are we lowering it down even more? Yes, we are. But let's take at the daily chart. We got, and using up our negative day as a green day. That I don't like seeing. No, I don't want that. I don't want to have a positive 3-day candle and we had it as a negative day. So that said, I'm hoping we will go into a lower price right off the market. And so we can use that to get a negative candle. So we can go back into starting the count over again. This will help us out. Now, do we need to have a negative candle to help us out boosting up? No, no, not really at all. I have looked at it in the previous past, and we have not, when we were going above the 9 candle and going over that, that we were triggering the squeeze, the gamma squeeze, not the short squeeze. I am not convinced that we had a short squeeze on the last time it was going up, rising that hard. So that said, tomorrow, expect we're going to probably be lower, but I think it's going to be, there's so much momentum now coming back into the stock. There is so much movement coming back into the stock that we are going to hopefully push back up. Now, are we back into the money flow? No. On the daily chart, no, we are not. The daily candles are not. The 4-hour candles, yes, we are. And it's saying to sell because it went up so high. So that's the reason why I'm saying if it comes down, we are bringing down the price a little bit just because we are trying to basically give it a breather. It needs a breather, and that's perfectly good. This is a healthy going down. That is why I'm still bullish, and I think that we are still in a good signal. We still have a buy signal on the 4-hour candle. That's awesome. We still have a buy signal onto the daily candle. That is awesome. And we have in the Tesla candle area, it's a buy signal as well. Excuse me. So I was going through Twitter, and I love looking at other people's opinions and looking at other people's facts. And this one I think is really, really good. And I think that this person's really spot on. It's basically coming down, it's consolidating right in that same area. And I agree. I think that's just moving a little bit slow, and we are stretching it out. And keep in mind, a boiling water does not boil when you watch it. So we've been watching this hardcore, and we were watching to see, hey, when is this going to boil? And we haven't been seeing it boil, and so we're losing patience. And we shouldn't be doing that. We should be really looking at this as, hey, how can I spend time with my family? And I am a worse person to say that because I always am trying to find new methods on researching and developing myself. But realistically, do you think when the whole market was down this much, do you think that that's the reason why AMC went down almost 10%? It just doesn't make sense. So they were shorting it why there is people selling it, and it was going down. So what I am saying is today we have to basically put it as thank you hedge funds for putting us a better price in the long run. And that is what I look at it. This is a better price for me in the long run. I was loading up on more shares because I looked at it as this is going to go up, and I think this is a test. It's testing that resistance, and it's going to go back up. Well, definitely put down on your comments if you bought more AMC, if you believe that AMC is bullish, and if you believe that we are going to see this squeeze. Thumbs up, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. That said, peace out.